Kukuliktan. Saan na siya?
Let's listen. Listen, look and learn.
To our college president, Dr. Cleophile Colin, our vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Mayen Panisigan, our school chaplain, Paddy Franz Alison F. Pawe, our principal, Ma'am Ms. Vincent Isaysayan, our dedicated faculty, staff, and guests, good afternoon. Gandang hapon sa ating lahat, na imbag nga aldaw tayo amin apo. It is an honor to stand before you today. But most importantly, to the class of 2026, my co-completers, this afternoon belongs to us. It feels incredible to see you all from up here. I'm so happy to see my friends, my classmates, sharing this moment of joy with their loved ones. It's also wonderful to see the pride and happiness on our teachers' faces. Once again, they've guided another masterpiece through our junior high school journey, us. And of course, seeing my own loved ones here makes this moment more special. My mother, my grandparents, and my family, who I think might be more nervous than I am. It's been about 4 years. 4 years when a younger, smaller, and maybe perhaps a cuter version of myself stood in front of fellow elementary graduates to deliver a speech. If I'm being completely honest, hindi ko talaga naisip na mag-i-speech na naman ako ulit. But here I am. All thanks and praise to our Almighty God and to everyone who made this possible. Usually, these speeches are long, boring, and before you even realize it, nakatulog na pala sa likod ng klase. Pag tinawag ng teacher, walang may sagot. Filipino classes with Carl and Ismael were always like that. Pero, they always got away since kapag tinanong sila ni Sir Alfie, bubulong ko lang sa kanila yung sagot. So, I'll try to keep this engaging para makapag-recess na tayong lahat. Junior high wasn't exactly the fun experience we were promised, parang yung mga nandun sa movies. It was more of a survival of the fittest na sport. Naalala niyo pa ba yung mga portfolios, yung mga brochure, yung mga roleplay, at mga reportings na halos hindi na tayo makatulog? Tulad nga, ang ginagawa ni na Aliyah. Sila yung laging nagmamahaawa kay Ma'am Gia na, Ma'am, pwede bukas na lang kami ng sayaw. Anyways, we've all lived through the cycle saying, I'll start early this time, only to find ourselves tulog na pala pag 9 p.m. or gising naman hanggang 12 a.m. pero ginagawa ang lahat imbis na yung work mismo. Or mag-study tayo ng lesson na sasabihin, madali lang to, stock knowledge lang to. Pero pagdating ng test mismo, hindi talaga natin alam ito. Naalala ko nga si Jessie, sinasabi niya, I'll only miss one day, what's the worst that can happen? Tapos magugulat na lang siya. Pagbalik niya, ang dami niya na palang miss. In the middle of these challenges, I often think the promise found in Isaiah 41 verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. If we pause for a moment and ask ourselves, how did we even get here? When we reflect more deeply, we remember the struggles, the sleepless nights, and the moments we almost lost our motivation. As Nathan Diaz once said, roots run deep. At the time, I thought it was just another one of his mga performative acts. But standing here today, looking at your faces, I finally get it. We have truly grown as seeds in this situation. Think about the roots of a tree. They aren't always visible, And they certainly aren't always neat and organized. They are messy, they are tangled, and they have to push through some pretty hard soil, hard, dry soil to find water. Tayo yun. Our roots grew in the hallways of Easter College. During those late-night group chats, and in the classrooms where we learned more about ourselves than what we learned in the textbooks. That foundation is what will keep us standing as we move into the unknown. But we did not grow alone. A tree is only as strong as the people who water it. So I would like to take this moment to give thanks to the people who helped us along their way. To our parents, this diploma is basically 50% yours. Mama, salamat sa baon. The job. Parents, thank you for the moral support. Thank you for believing in us, even when some of our grades weren't exactly pleasant to the eyes. Thank you so much for your love, your sacrifices, and for always reminding us over and over again to study. Para sa inyo po ito. To our teachers, maraming salamat po. Thank you for not giving up on us, even though we were clearly just using AI to pass through, or even asking for extensions the 5th time in a row. You all tolerated our chaos and helped us build our character. Mamay, pwede mamaya na lang ipas yung exit ticket. To my friends, salamat sa inyo. Thank you for the constant reminders that life is more than just a ranking. You guys are the reason I actually enjoyed coming to school, coming to campus every day. Except kay Japan kasi nagpapainit dyan ng ulo. The joke, Japan, peace. And to one person in particular, thank you for being my constant. Whether navigating the stress every week, or just being the person I could turn to when things got stressful. You made the hard days easier and the good days even better. You know who you are and how much your support means to me. Thank you for staying by my side. So, what is the vision for the class of 2026? As I look at this crowd, hindi lang mga estudyante na naka-uniform yung nakikita ko. I can see our future. I see the future architects who will build our cities, the next generation of engineers, the compassionate doctors and nurses who will heal us kapag may sakit tayo, and yung mga kapwa kong piloto dyan. I also see yung mga innovative business owners na maglilid talaga ng economy natin. Kilo, abangan namin yung karinderya mo. Pasensya na kung lagi akong humingi ng pagkain sa'yo. Libre na lang kita mamaya sa kantin habang wala pa si Sir Dave. Shout out, speaking of food, shout out din pala kay Mr. Yami dyan. Alam niyo ba siya? Yummy talaga yung sinasabi. So, my vision for us is that we don't just succeed in terms of money or titles. I want us to be people of impact. Let us use the grit we learned here at Easter College to solve real-world problems. Parang kapag may bahay na kayo, i-calculate nyo yung size ng garden nyo when length is equals to 4 plus x and width is equals to x. Whether you are staying here or moving to a new school, carry the vision of being a person who stands for something. Don't just aim to be the best in the world. Aim to be the best for the world. Like the famous quote says, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. We've learned that knowledge is important, but character is everything. Character defines us beyond our achievements. It is who we are when things don't go our way. It is choosing honesty over shortcuts, responsibility over excuses, and integrity even when it's inconvenient. It's saying sorry when we make mistakes. It's helping a classmate who is struggling. It's choosing to be kind even when it's not easy. This is something I will always cherish. I cherish it so much that maybe mag-print pa nga ako ng reminder tapos itikit ko sa door ko eh. So every time I step out, I'll always be reminded to live with purpose. Before I end, let me challenge each one of you, including myself. Let us continue striving for our goals and aspirations. As we step into a new chapter, let us claim Jeremiah 29 verse 11 as our own. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Let us aim higher no matter the obstacles and become the person God has called us to be. Congratulations, class of 2026. This is another milestone unlocked for us all. Maganda ng senior high kasi darating na ang greatest batch. Tara, kain na tayo. Thank you and mabuhay.
Okay, thank you, Wayne, for those heart-to-heart message from the completers, from your fellow completers. And now, let us hear the voice